everyone, welcome to my presentation today. My name is Trang Linh. I come from Class English 19 International Chip Integrated University. To begin, I have some questions for all of you. Have you ever wanted to run a business? And have you wondered how to run a business successful? If the answer is yes, you should pay attention to my presentation now. Today, I will talk to you about the main reason that lead to Walmart's success. This is their incredible methods of supply chain management that eventually help them become the market leadership in retail industry worldwide with massive buying power and excellent operation. My presentation will take you 5 minutes. It has a 3 parts presenting to 3 key components successful: vendor partnerships, cross-stocking, and distribution management technology. If you have any questions, please ask me at the end of my presentation. Okay, first, let's start with introduction of Walmart. So, what is Walmart? Walmart is the biggest private employer in the world with 2 million employees. Has been criticized by many groups and individuals, including labor union, for their workforce policy, judgment of product suppliers, environmental practices, and many other issues. Walmart is still the world's largest company by revenue, with $476 billion in 2014, as largest retailer in the world, with over 11,000 stores, and has stood at the first position on Fortune's 500 and Global 500 list for the year 2011 as CNN reports. So next, I will talk to you about the Walmart supply chain strategy, a key success of each. Walmart supply chain strategy has 3 key components: vendor partnership, cross-stocking, and distribution management technology. Okay, for vendors, they applied a business model called V&I, vendor managed inventory. When buyer of a product provides certain information to a vendor, supplier of that product, and the supplier takes full responsibility for maintaining an agreed inventory of the material, usually at the buyer consumption location. Both vendors and retailers will share risks and benefits under this system, and Walmart could expect near 100% order fulfillment on merchandise as a result. Individual assignment Walmart also established strategic partnerships with most of their vendors, offering them the potential for long-term and high-volume purchase in exchange for the lowest possible price. The second is cross-stocking. Cross-stocking is a logistic technique that plays a vital role in Walmart's supply chain strategy. Products are routed from suppliers to Walmart warehouse, then they will be unloaded from incoming semi-trailer, truck, or railroad car, then be loaded directly into outbound trucks, trailer, or rail cars without sitting for a long period of time. By this technique, Walmart reduce their cost and improve their inventory turnover significantly to accomplish a very competitive pricing policy. So finally, Walmart is also known as technology leader in the retail industry. They were the one who pushed the adoption of universal barcode and were also the first major retailers to demand the radio frequency identification technology (RFID) recently. SPA and the RFID tanks allow the retailer to generate. So finally, it's also known as a technology leader in the retail industry. They were the one who pushed the adoption of universal barcode and were also the first major retailers to demand the use of radio frequency identification technology (RFID). Recently, the bar in the RFID tanks allowed retailers to generate all kinds of information, creating a subtle shift of the owner from manufacturers to retailers. Walmart became especially good at exploiting the information behind the technology. They have the largest information technology infrastructure of any private company in the world. Their technology and network design allowed Walmart to correctly forecast demand, check and predict inventory levels, create highly efficient transportation routes, and manage customer relationships and supply response logistics. During the first 8 months of 2005, Walmart experienced a 16% drop in our stock merchandise at its RFID. A good story according to a University of Arkansas study and reported in Fortune Small Business magazine. Okay, that is the end of my presentation. I have told you about 3 key components that lead to Walmart's success: vendor partnerships, cross-docking, and distribution management technology. In conclusion, Walmart is the best multinational retail corporation in the world. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.